Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have Aditya, who is a ML and AI student at VIT Bhopal first year. So over to you, Aditya, for the questions that you want to ask.
Hello everyone. My question is, as a fresher, which language we should consider as a priority to start DSA with?
Okay, so DSA skills actually is very much important and basically to uh, filter out candidates. And in order to start with a language, you must focus on the basics. I would say start with C, then move to C++, and then to Java. Because in the coding interviews, you might be asked to implement heap, not to use that. Maybe in C++ or Java, you could be using priority queue in Java, or maybe let's say same in C++ with the STL. But the interviewer might ask you to implement it completely, thinking about edge cases and how the complexity works. So focus on the basics, then move to those languages. It would be very easy. You can master any language after you master the basics. I hope this answers your question, Aditya.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
So thanks. So please check the description below for the long video. Thanks. Thanks, everyone.